Hi guys, today we have the Bowery mattress from Brooklyn Bedding to unbox. A little bit about Brooklyn Bedding. They have a giant factory that we were able to go and visit. Read all about our post, talking about their journey, their startup, how it all started. It's a wonderful story. It's a great video, also footage about the owners of Brooklyn Bedding. The Bowery is an all foam mattress. Now we all know that Brooklyn Bedding carries also their best mattress ever. They did add something really cool to it, and it's the coils, and you will see it in our footage or video of their factory. They have purchased a coils machine, and they were able to integrate coils inside the best mattress ever. Now we have the best mattress ever that turned into a hybrid mattress, and the Bowery that's an all foam mattress. And this is what we're about to find out. We are going to sleep on the Bowery mattress and see how it works on our adjustable bed, how we are going to sleep on it, how we're gonna like it. It's their new mattress, and I was able to also feel it a little bit when I went to their store. So, but sleeping on it is a different story, of course. So we're gonna give it 2 to 3 weeks to sleep test it, and we will give you all the results in a new review video. That's what the Bowery looks like. It is super soft. It has a little bit of bounciness, but we will find out more about it once we sleep test it. That's the most important test. I can tell right off the bat that there's a lot of high quality material into this mattress. The edges here, I'm very impressed, not just with the color, but the quality of it. Like, as I pull on the edge, you can tell that it's a thicker type of material, which means they're trying to keep your mattress nice and protected. I didn't find a zipper, but that's all right. We will tell you what's inside the Bowery in our review. Again, we have a post dedicated just for Brooklyn Bedding and what they carry besides just mattresses. Check back with us in a couple weeks to tell you more about our Bowery and how we slept on it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.